Yes, this is our tomatoes. You can see they have a lot of fruits here. These cocktail tomatoes. This is the first year I planted the cocktail tomato. They are very small but delicious, guys. You can see I have harvested already few. They are not so big but delicious, very nice. And the potatoes are not looking so perfect, guys. I want to remove them and see, because I'm going for the holidays. I cannot leave them, but I think there's some. We will see how many we will get here. We'll try to remove them today, and let's check how many we will get. Remember, this is a balcony. It's just on my balcony, and it's just one pot. It was only 3 potatoes I planted on this bucket. Let's see what to get there. I think they are not even doing that well, but better let's check if there is few. Oh, guys, it doesn't look so that, you see, look at this one, very small. Now yeah, maybe it's too early also, but as I was telling you, I'm going for the holidays, and I think, you see, another one. I can't wait longer. Maybe had I waited, they will be bigger, but let's see what we can get. To see another one. Wow, this is nice. This one is nice. Doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. You see, oh, it's another one, guys. Ah, oh, there's another one, guys. Look at this. Okay. Let's see what do we have here. Wow, another small one. Okay, wow, I was thinking they would not be that good, but guys, there's something. I'm getting few. Look at them. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to put the compost in the plastic bag, because this is a balcony. I don't want to dirty the whole place. Yeah. So let's see still now what will be there. Okay, another one, guys. Another one. Wow. This is a nice surprise. There's another 2 small ones. This is very small. So, okay, another one, guys. Another one. Let me see. It's looking good. I think there's more. You see? Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. If I was not going for the holidays, maybe I left them longer, I could have harvested much more. Oh, sorry, guys. My hand is on the camera. Wow. I have to see how to hold this camera so that you can get everything. And I pull the root, uproot the plant, and see. Oh, another one, guys, another one. Okay, there's few there, guys, and it's not still finished. So let us see. So let's uproot all the plant away so that I can get to the. But you see, there should be more normally. I think I harvested them too early, but as I was telling you, I'm not here for the next month, and everything was spoiled before I come back. So I rather harvest them and see what I can get there. So let's see what is in that bucket. And let us see. There's still a lot of compost. You know, I use a lot of compost in this bucket because I was trying to look for a much good harvest hour. You see that? Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Another two. Another small one. Let's see. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at that. Another 4. They would have been very good if I was here. Look at that. Another ones. So when I finish, I'll just count everything. By the majority, we would have get a lot of potatoes here, guys. I can't complain. You see? Another 3. Okay. But they're very small, but still there was a lot of potatoes inside, eh? See? Another one. Another 3. Let me see. Look at this. Another 2, guys. You see? Okay. You see? Guys, this bucket is tried, huh? We tried. You see? Look at that, guys. That's a big one. I think it's finished now. It looks like it's finished, but you still have 2 small ones there. But it looks like it's finished. Yeah, that was all. Yeah, that was all. That was all. But look, had I let them here for longer duration, look at that, guys. There's a lot of them. And if they were bigger, can you imagine? You see? So it was okay. It was not so bad. It was not so bad. Yeah. And here I have strawberries. You see? I have already harvested many of them. They're doing so good. And my tomatoes, guys, you see? Look at that. They're also big. I will harvest some before leaving, because I'm sure before I come back they will all die because I don't have anybody to water them, you see, guys. But anywho, all the plants are looking so good, né? Look at this. And I was here for the whole time, I would have harvested lots of tomatoes and other things. No, this one is having disease, you know. This was strawberry also, but I don't know, something affected it. And then there's some tomatoes and then mince here, guys. But I'm very happy with my potato, you know. Had I left it longer, it would have given me a lot of bigger fruits, bigger yield. Look at these tomatoes, guys. Can you see these tomatoes? That's my cocktail tomatoes. They have lots of fruits, you know. Look at that. I can't complain this year, no? Look at that. You see this place also. It's very nice. It did work well, guys. But I'm not here for the next month, so yeah, it's a pity. guys, but Mother Nature is very, very good to me, guys. But I will be going to my bigger farm in Africa. Look at that. I'm also happy to see all those plants, and now I will be also starting a new farm down there, whereby I will show you a lot of things that I'm doing, getting the land, planting the trees, and many more. So, but guys, I'm so happy. You see those tomatoes? I'll take them along. I will take them along to Africa. Yeah, that's a nice thing. But I'm happy with this kind of see the potatoes. They were doing good, and I left them longer. They would have been bigger. You see. So how many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. It would have been 36, guys. I can't complain. 36 with just one pot like this. No, I cannot complain. This is nice. I'm just doing some experiment here, you know. This is just a balcony. I'm trying to do a lot of different kind of experiment for Africa. Thank you, guys. Wish you all the best and have a good evening. And please, guys, subscribe to my channel if you are new in this channel. My name is Aissatou Diallo. I'm a born Gambian. I'm an orange farmer in Africa, living in Germany, and currently, yeah, this is my balcony in Germany. Thank you and have a nice, blessed day. Bye bye. Guys, look at this place. This is outside my balcony, and very nice nature. I love the area. I cannot complain. We have to thank God. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.